Hello, hello. Hey, this is Bama from Dallas, Texas, doing another quick video. And yeah, I learned this from one of my mentors, Stephen Pierce. He told me, be confident, and the things that you're looking for will just start coming to you, start happening. You got to be confident. You have to be confident about what you know, or what you're skilled in, or what you're talented in, or what you're gifted in. You need to have that confidence, because some people just walk in some kind of false humility. That's what I call it. A false sense of humility, and say, oh, I'm not this, oh, I'm not that. Yeah, people compliment you. Can't even receive a compliment. You need to be confident in yourself. And I'm not saying being arrogant. You need to be confident in what you're able to do. If you're good at computers, say, yes, I am very good at this. And you need to, you don't need to be fake about it or whatever. If you're good at something, you're good. If you're good as a hairdresser and people compliment you, receive it. Receive the compliment, and stop being all this false humility and all this other stuff and worries me. I'm not that good, I'm not this. Come on, you are that good, you are great. Come on, I just want to encourage you today. Over your scum. Bye for now.